parents never moved to Florida.
Yeah, that is odd, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
I mean, they're retired.
There's no economic reason for them to be here.
They have no friends.
No social reason for them to be here.
You're all grown up.
Yeah, they're through ruining my life. What the hell are they still doing here? Let me see this pamphlet. All right, I'll get back to you. Woo! Boy, it's cold outside, huh? Oh, these New York winters. Bitter cold. Bitter!
I was out for 5 minutes before. I couldn't feel my extremities.
What extremities?
You know what the temperature in Florida is today? Huh? 79. That's almost 80. Yeah, I read someplace the life expectancy in Florida is 81. And in Queens, 73.
So, George, why are you here?
But I can't stop by and visit my parents.
What's this?
That's where the Seinfelds are moving. They got a great deal.
Yeah?
You know what they got in Florida? High-a-lie. You bet on the games, you clean up.
I don't bet.
Now, what about the dolphins? You can swim with the dolphins down there.
I don't swim.
You could pet them. They come right out of the water onto the sidewalks.
Are you trying to get rid of us?
Rid? No, come on. The word is care. Care. I care about your comfort, be it here in Queens or 1,200 miles away. Hey, how is Florida, huh?
We just bought a new place down there.
Yeah.
I know. We were looking at the brochure.
You what?
Why, you thinking of moving?
No, not really.
Because if you are, you shouldn't. There's nothing available in that development.
Are you telling me there's not one condo available in all of Del Boca Vista?
That's right. They went like hotcakes.
How'd you get yours?
Got lucky.
Are you trying to keep us out of Del Boca Vista?
I know this doesn't seem like work to any of you. If you could perhaps conduct the psychopath convention down the hall, I could just get a little personal space.
So, Georgie, we have some big news for you.
Big news.
We're moving to Florida.
What? You're moving to Florida? That's wonderful! I'm so happy! For you! I'm so happy for you! Oh, what do you need this cold weather for?
Has nothing to do with weather. It's because of the Seinfelds.
Yeah, what do you mean?
They don't want us there, so we're going. We're moving right into Del Boca Vista!
So you're moving there for spite?
Absolutely. No one tells Frank Costanza what to do!
That's right! All the holiday out there!
So, Georgie, are you going to come to visit us?
Oh, every chance I get. Jerry! I'm busting!
Well, what's going on?
My parents are moving to Florida!
Are you kidding?
Can you believe it? It's happening! It's finally happening! I'm free!
Well, where are they moving to?
Del Boca Vista!
Del Boca Vista. That's where my parents are gonna live.
I know!
We can visit together.
Every 5 years!
That's incredible.
Oh, I know! You know why they're moving there?
Why?
Despite your parents!
Despite my parents?
Yeah.
Your parents are crazy.
I know, they're out of their mind!
Fantastic. My parents are moving back too.
Beautiful!
Sorry Leo's moving back here. I'm not ready to go back to Florida.
He was getting along so well with that woman. What happened?
Hello?
This is Frank Costanza.
What do you want?
You think you can keep us out of Florida?
We're moving in lock, stock, and barrel. We're gonna be in the pool. We're gonna be in a clubhouse. We're gonna be all over that shuffleboard court. And I dare you to keep me out!
I'm sorry. We can't get back to Florida.
Well, at least the Costanzas changed their mind and decided not to move. They couldn't bear being away from George.
George must be happy about that.
You have no idea.
Take my swim trunks. I won't need them.
What does he want with your swim trunks?
Why should they go to waste?